Hey there guys, to start off this video I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone for subscribing. Sick cunnies. You've already put me in about 5 months of subscription debt with the price of the sticker, the stamps and the envelopes, but it should be right because I know you're in for the long haul, so it doesn't even matter. And the funniest thing, or the best thing, is, I'll try and cover this address here, but old mate buddy Gary, we've got Gary Baines right here, New South Wales, the #1 subscriber. They've got a few more Gary stickers left, so if you haven't jumped on it, I'll try to chuck a link in there, but just jump on my profile and yeah, support the content, get your nice Gary sticker, sparkly boy. It's all about it. But today we've got a lot of fun things going down to get around it, support the content. Yeah, love all your feedback and input, and we've got some gangster shit happening next year, so yeah, that's really appreciated, all your support. So yeah, let's get into the video. Let's keep it right. Oh, I farted. I'll drive this up. See you, Garys. Enjoy. Alright, got me coffee, ready to go, son. It's a bit dirty, the old girl. Alright, we're on the way. So let's give a rundown on what's going down today. Very exciting day today. And yes, you might have noticed a quick jumper change because the other one's covered in bloody Baxter's hair all the time. So the plan is we've got both the giveaway cars, the S13, SR20 DT turbo manual registered thing. We're doing the giveaway video for that, and then later on, or after that, we are going to do the GQ Patrol giveaway video, and we've got a special location for that, and that is a Freestyle Motocross jump track, or just that's actually a friend's farm, friend Jordan's farm, and he's got his own ramps and jumps, so massive jumps for some freestyle stuff. So I'm meeting some of the boys down there. I won't give too much away, but we've got something extra exciting happening down there, and a bit of another release for you, so you can look forward to that later in the vid. But yeah, pretty sick location to do some filming and get some bikes jumping. But it's a bit of a giveaway of what's going down. But we've got that later. But right now, I'm off to meet old mate Mike Lake down at the golf course for a bit of a hit to start off the day. And then we're gonna get into it. Let's do it. We out here down a golf course things. Grab me old trusty gloves out the back. By the way, just finished my coffee. Definitely gonna shat myself halfway through. I got the old trusty grandpa's old clubs. Can't go wrong, son. Haven't played, I reckon it's been 2 years since I got out there, but I used to be a field hockey champion myself, so I think Mike's in for a bit of a surprise when he sees how good I am at playing, how good I am at chipping the balls into the bloody forest. Let's do it. The big Gaz himself. There you go.
Oh my god, we're doing a little bit of golf today.
Got the golf vlog happening this morning. Damn.
I know.
Yeah, that's where that one came in, not bad.
Yeah. I see it every day when I'm here, I'm like, oh my god.
True.
So nice. How keen are you?
Oh, pretty keen.
Yeah?
To, what do you call it? Chip some balls into the bloody forest?
Yeah, something like that. There's a river on the right hand side that I'm like, real good.
Definitely lost a whole pack of balls in there.
Legit, like every time. It's on the first tee as well.
Yeah, every time.
Give me a t-shirt day.
How good is this?
What's that?
Not bad. Bit cloudy, a bit overcast, it should be right, no wind.
No, it's pretty good. Favourable conditions, I think. touching.
There's the river down there, the almighty.
Oh, don't even talk about it, eh? Wait for these boys, because...
Move out of the way, son. They're digging up that ground now, boy.
Yep, how we roll. Get that off. Ready to see some magic, Jay?
Yeah.
But this is the hard part.
Oh. I heard it. I heard it bounce off that tree there.
Yep.
Reload!
I'm gonna go get another one.
Yeah, get another one done. I'll set me balls up.
Yeah. That was the connection though.
Yeah, it was my connection. Got me gangster pank. Bang. Got me soccer ball full of everything. I can see it flying into the bushes. It's not bad. Grandpa's clubs. Don't need that pressure on us. Ready for the magic?
I'm ready for that magic, boy.
Loose it up a bit.
Show us how we get it straight into that river.
Straight into the rabbit. Where's the practice shot? Line her up.
It's a nice swing.
Gotta do nice and soft to start off, son.
Mate,
Ease into it.
this ain't no US Open.
It is it.
Oh! That's straight into someone's backyard.
This is predicted.
Alright, that's first tee yips gone now. Now we can hit properly.
Reload. Alright, we're not off to the greatest start. That's where we teed off. That's where Mike landed.
Thank you very much, I'll take that.
Gang distance, and mine's just up there next to that tree.
So we're doing alright.
Yeah, good start.
For this way?
Oh, so far, still can see where we teed off. I'm on my 5th shot. Made it to where Mike is on his 2nd shot. Topped the ball like 50 times. God damn. Oh. Dig her up. Dig her up. Yeah, she'll be all. 20 shots later, I made it to the green. This is where I fuck up as well. Yeah, can't believe it. Next hole, I actually made par. Mike won over. I think he made, what was it? So you reckon I got 10 on the first, you got 8, so you're 1 up.
They're 1 up.
Yeah.
Right game so far.
That's what you want. That's what you want.
Slightly surprising actually.
Catching up to old mate Gary and Garyette up there.
Yeah. Here's that.
We're about halfway. We're both doing pretty good.
Not bad.
Hit and miss here and there. Getting mostly 1 over par. What have we got? Let's have a look-see.
Look at that.
So,
Wheels fell off on the first hole. And we're coming back.
yeah, we're pretty much like pro golfers after that first hole there.
Jason's a hit by 1.
1 up, son.
Woo! Damn.
It's gonna be so tight.
I love that, though.
Definitely need to shit myself, but she'll be right. That won't affect my game. That'll keep my back straight. Halfway through, got a little possum may in here. Hello, Gary. Oh hell, little baby's in there. He's giving me the freak look. I think he's gonna stab me. Possums freak me out, son. Oh hell, I'm bailing. How'd you go, Gaz?
Holy crap.
What?
Gotta be one of my better hits off the tee.
Oh yeah.
Near the green, I think.
Oh. The pressure's on.
Almost smoked those old
Oh. On the last hole, we matching. It's on. It is on. Oh no. Oh no.
He topped it. Door's open for you, Gary.
It is. It is.
Step right
More
through,
pressure.
mate. Right, hole number 9. Scores are tied at the top of the table, 42 all. Late comes in and
Got the turtle head coming out my ass.
Jason's got some poop coming out his butt, holding it in. Now's his chance. They call his swing unorthodox. But it is a thing of beauty. Here he goes. Couple of practice swings. Steps up to the plate. And the tree comes to his saviour. Off the tree and into the middle. And Jason's well placed to take the lead and the subsequent win on this hole.
Not even one good hit with this thing. Gary! What are you on?
Love that.
Bit of an uphill in the rough, into rough. Dig that dog out of there. Oh yeah.
Oh, what the fuck just happened?
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh god, Gary!
Oh no, Gary! Come on, grab my bag.
Wheels are not falling off, let's go.
Hell down here.
Alright, I got the...
Pressure's on, Gary. Oh no. Oh, he's up there. It's not good form so far, son.
There for 3.
Oh no.
Alright, let's see if you can soak it up.
That's it. Alright, let's do it. Straight up. What are we going to go for, Grandma? I reckon we putt from here. What do you reckon? It's like nice and flat. It's less chance of stuffing anything up. Let's go the putter, son. Putter from 900 yards. I don't know what yards are. Let's try phoning the mouse, see what happens. Oh, hell! I'm trying. Topped it. The worst timing ever. Oh, Gary! Just over the green. Just over. Is that bunker? Is that bunker?
Nah.
He's good. I can keep strong with the putter game. There he goes. Alright, gotta get proper connection this time. That's a ticket! Oh no. Just on the green, but at the end. Could have been a bit softer, but she'll be right. Tiger Woods ain't walking. Alright, what are we at?
I am heading number 5 now, and you're heading number 4? Wait,
Okay.
what do you go? 1, 2, 3, you're heading number 4 now.
I'm on 4, he's on 5.
Keep going up there. 4.
Oh, not bad, not bad.
Right.
I got not bad distance here. Pressure. Oh!
Good weight, but
Number 7.
yeah. Steve.
And then I've got to do this in how many?
Yeah. You're on 4. You got 3 putts to the hole to equal me. 2 putts and you win the game. Geza.
Hell.
No pressure.
So much pressure.
Steps up for the putt. A couple of practice swings, as does the norm for Jason Ferron, aka Gary. There he comes. Oh, the weights.
A little bit weak, Gary. But we're not bad.
Pressure's on here. He's either
Like
gonna...
just over my distance. Safe distance. No!
Oh, here he goes. He's got to get this one into equal.
Oh no.
Love that.
Smack bang, equal.
Cheers,
Good game,
Gary. What a game, Gary.
What a game, son.
Oh, that was good. 49.
Can't believe it. And they beat your record. Well, not your record, but well, your average was 50 on this course. So not bad. Not bad coming back on that. First game after 2 years or something.
Yeah. That's awesome. Looks like we're going to play again then. No clear winner.
No clear winner. Until next time, let's go do shit. Let's go do things. Oh, alright, there you go. Very good game. Pretty happy with that after playing and haven't played in ages. So with a draw, so that means there's gonna have to be a rematch at some time. Let me know if you enjoyed that golf game. God damn, something a bit different for the channel, but everyone loves a bit of golf. But anyway, back to the factory to clean these cars up and get one of these, get the S13 giveaway video done. And I need to back one out real bad. So let's do that now. We're back down, factory. Got Corey. Got the S13. First things first. Corey gave her a wash and we got the fresh street banner on this one. And next up, we've got to do the GQ banner. Maybe I'll do a quick time lapse. We struggle a little bit with that one because it's a bit hot. The banners are a bit thinner than the last ones we used. We'll get her on this dog, and then Mike should be here again and can film some things. Yee. Done. Look at that. Look at that. All the Reet stickers. From the Ranger, got the OG one. OG design, not even a banner. Kang new one. GU has the street one. RX8 is chat. Let me know if I still want to do this build because I don't even know anymore. I'm sure it'd be cool. SRX8, but mad Siebes at the moment. Or he's got his. All the Reet stickers. Got the OG little boy too. Gangs. Another 3 boy on the S13. Right up there. Another 3 boy. Damn, son. I'll quick clean up of the shop and we'll bring the S13 in. Yes. Mike should be just about here and we'll get into some filmings and then gonna go find somewhere to take the GQ down for a bit of filming for that. Hopefully some off-roading somewhere. Oh, there he is. 2-step garage. Lakeside Co. I just realised he hasn't got a Gary sticker and he's the ultimate Gaz, so get one on there. He's got his own Sparkly Boy stickers. If you're not following his channel, it's Mike Lake. Get around it. There she is, Sparkly Boy. I'm gonna bang her right there. Get all the Garys on there, son. You have to. Yeah, what are you doing, son? There you go, son.
Thanks, mate.
I'll crown you with a Gary.
Yes, Gaz.
Blood, sweating Garys. That's to use that dog bed, son.
Yeah, it's perfect. This is what I get for coming first equal in golf this morning.
Experienced golfer.
Yeah. Can't believe that actually, you freaking...
Look at that, son. Look at those sparkly things going on.
It's so good, eh?
I feel like I'm like Pokemon cards and shit.
It looks wicked.
The holographics.
Yeah, look at that. Spot on.
Yeah.
These are nice, man. I love it. Members only.
Yeah. Only the boys.
Yeah, boy. Love that.
Mike getting his panning shots. Can't get in that frame. While he's working his magic.
Take these nuggets and make them look good.
That's it. Just give away things.
Oh no, man, I love
Basic.
Like so many,
Yeah,
because everyone
stock
does like
kit.
so much these days, and now like taking it back, there's just nothing, just wheels, coilovers, super low, no spoiler.
Yeah.
Woo.
Real clean. I used to love these things back in the day.
Yeah.
Just looking at them when I was a young lad.
Yeah. These things staunch as though. So good.
Alright, the panning shots are done. Now it's time for some awkward filming.
I'll voice the camera as Chase's favourite.
This is the worst thing.
You've gotten better, much better at it than you were.
Yeah, you do get used to it. You eventually learn how to switch your brain off.
Yeah.
That's the biggest thing. You just get stuck in your brain hole. Corey's learning now with these 4B giveaway things, and I just sort of just try and just go with whatever comes up in my head.
The camera's not there,
it seems to we're getting more. It used to be like multiple takes. Now we're doing almost one take for most things, and just send it.
So good.
But yeah, it's a very difficult thing to learn.
It is.
Until you've been on camera, you won't know what the feeling's like.
Which is funny because we're on camera right now.
That's it. But I can edit the shit out of it, so it doesn't really matter.
I edit this. Yeah.
I make myself look real good, but this is actually the 39th take. So.
We've been here for 4 hours.
I got me little microphone on for all the Kang sound. Let's get cringeworthy. Hey there, guys. Welcome to another Keep It Reet giveaway, the S13 Sylvia. If you look right here, you'll see a fresh paint job in the jungle green S14 colour.
Give it a run.
Do you like chalkboard? Like,
yeah. Fucking people like, you can see we're running the minimalistic style here. No body kits, no spoilers.
dealer you.
Yeah.
If you come right here, you'll see this is a very clean car. It's actually dealer used, straight from the lot. Only 137,000 kilometres on that dash. Maybe been replaced 5 times, but it's okay.
I'm coming around there.
Pressure's on. So we have a JDM exhaust. I think the brand is a Bitzer. We've got a bit of this, and a bit of that.
Oh. That is rubbish.
Oh, there you have it. That's the S13 all done. Just need to get some shots now. Maybe get some rolling shots for the boys. But as you can see, it's hella orcs. But I get the job done, son. And Mike gets the job done. Yeah, yeah.
With the magic of editing.
That's it. It's true magic, actually. Send it, Corey. Scrape that ass. That's it. Panning shot's done. Now we head off, jump in the GQ and shoot down to this Modi track. Yep. Cool bananas. Let's go. Time to grab some lunch and go pick up my little man, Marcus, because he'll definitely want to be seeing these motorbikes. He loves anything motor related, but hasn't really seen motorbikes in action, so I'm gonna go pick him up and bring him down for the show. Let's do it. Got my little man. Where are we going, Marcus? Where are we going? That's right, we're gonna go see the big motorbikes, do some big jumps. They're gonna do big tricks. Big flips. Big flips. That's right. I think you're gonna enjoy that one. You excited? Very excited. Blah blah. Alright. We'll keep going on our way out into the sticks. Going to see some gangster motorbikes doing some gangster things. Alright, just got down here to Jordan's place. Marcus fallen asleep, so he can stay there till the motorbikes get going. And yeah, I think Corey's about to send it up the hill. Introduce you to the boys. Hello, Mikey. Look at this place, it's gangsta. Do a trick.
Are you actually gonna try? Don't try it, don't.
We're gonna send this up there.
I just don't want to fucking...
What about just driving like down here and then over this bit here?
Over that?
Yeah, like over this and then over that.
Yeah,
Yeah?
Come on, Jace, jump in.
We'll just start small
What are you doing?
You're going to reverse back and you're going to drive over the hump.
and then over this hump.
Yeah, I'll get over there. I'll give it a shot. My first 4B experience.
Come left a bit.
You just cruising in the background up on the hill. He's just going over this quarry, just like.
Now what's he doing? Oh. Wait, if you wanna drive up there, go like this. No, you'll stop at the top. You'll see.
Oh, you can do it. You're more experienced.
Go on. Just do it, just like it's really slow anyway, like just cruise up it. Yep. Oh, Jesus. How's it feel?
Oh, yeah. I was like, is there much of a platform?
Huh?
Get all the way up there.
Yeah.
Hit it. Oh, hit it.
Have fun.
Get back down.
No, it's easy.
It was like
Yeah, just hold the brake, and if it starts to like run away from you, like just slowly let the clutch out, and it like tries to drive forward against it. Or you can even put it in reverse and let it like idle its way down in four low. Put it in reverse, don't leave it in neutral. And the handbrake sucks in this thing too.
I think it's hard.
No, this is slow.
I was scared.
Do you feel like a man?
It was like front wheel skiddy move.
Yeah, so you just want your front left wheel up on that. Keep going, yeah. Pretty much.
Rock crawling.
You're a dick.
That's it, boys.
Good voice to camera.
We've shown off the skills of the car,
You got me with my
what you can do.
Is this right?
Yep.
That'll work.
They'll do great.
Fantastic.
Should be right, Sonny. Time to shine, Corey. How cool is this place?
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
Got all the things down the back, little jumpy things. Big long jumpy things. Hey!
You're not allowed to make noise!
Go for gold, boys.
Sweet. Hey guys, welcome back to another Reet full drive giveaway. Last month we gave away the GE Patrol. This month we've got this beautiful, I don't know, just something like that, you know. Yeah? Alright, good.
Hey guys,
Again, without the album.
I'm already forgetting what I'm going to say.
Welcome back to another Reet full drive
That's it,
giveaway.
that's it.
Less thinking, more sheebies.
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to another Reet full drive giveaway. Last month we gave away the GU Patrol. This month we got the GU.
GQ.
GQ.
That was nice, just go from the slap. Slap it again. Do
That's
this
good,
one.
Sonny.
This month, GQ.
Nice. Oh, they'll go into the
Loves it.
we're gonna double-
We've got an ARB winch bar with a VRS winch. Basic light.
Alright, Marcus is awake. Oh, your hat's sitting there funny there. There we go. Better. Oh, a bit tight. Alright, while the boys are doing the giveaway bid for the GQ, Marcus is up now, have something to eat. Then hopefully old mate Ryan Brown's coming down with his Modi to do some tricks. And if you haven't guessed it already, we'll let you know soon what the special surprise is happening. There's a big wheel. Wow. Play a nice trampoline. Have something to eat. Well, Corey's just wrapped up, pretty much. How'd you go, Corey?
Sweet ass.
Yeah, nice and easy again.
No.
Corey's the natural. And Jordan's grabbed his motorbike. Gonna send some jumps. Mark's gonna watch. Getting his warm-ups on. I'm gonna see some jumps and still waiting on Ryan, and we can yeah, he does like gangster shit. If you haven't seen Ryan, it's from Freestyle Motocross. So Ryan from Freestyle Kings, and so is Jordan, does it as well. But they send it hard, and Ryan has got the mad raw flips down and some sick tracks. Not long till you'll see some of that gangster shit. Did he case it? No. Sounded like it. You see that? Big jump. Cool. Calm down, Gary. You're attacking the dog.
Settle down, do it.
Settle down, dog. Settle down, dog. Nick Minute doesn't know what playing is by its armour.
I know.
Nick Minute rabies.
No, he's trying to fuck me
More
up,
rabies.
Still trying to sex on
Ready, Bubba? Look. Big jump. Ooh. Damn, boy.
What the fuck?
Something special on the back of it. Oh yeah. First time a backflip, what's he gonna do next? Now he sends the giveaway bike. Flip time? That's pretty insane. What a legend. That's it, boys. All
The
done
dream
ski.
team, man.
All done ski.
What a day. Huge.
So that's it. So we've got the giveaway CRO 450, Ryan Brown's old bike. The GQ Patrizzle, Corey's favourite. And that's it. Pack her up, boys. Send it home. Bring the bikes home.
11:59 p.m. tonight. Bars open. We hit the beers.
Yee yee.
Let's go. Wait, can we go straight there? Oh,